The purpose of this video is to go through the engagement plan for paraprofessionals during distance learning. The engagement expectations include being available to support students and teachers during the entire instructional day per the classroom schedule. This schedule should reflect breaks and lunches and should cover your entire work hours. Within that schedule, you will be collaborating with teachers to prepare and disseminate and implement instructional activities and virtual lessons. You should plan on attending all virtual sessions. Within those sessions, you will be acting as a co-host to help monitor student engagement and appropriate participation from students. You will also facilitate and monitor during virtual lessons when appropriate, and this could include, if they're using Zoom or Google Meet, the chat feature. You will use visual supports and prompts to help support students during that virtual instruction. You may also lead breakout rooms and individual support sessions where the instruction is very directed. You will lead live virtual learning sessions when acting as the substitute teacher or if the teacher is released for other duties. This can be accomplished through Google Meet or Zoom. Those are the two main platforms that teachers are using. We do have videos to support you on your knowledge of how to use Zoom, including the features as well as participating in the sessions. Also, we have the same for Google Meet. Please check those out on SSD's website under the resources for educators. You will also complete data collection during activities and large sessions as directed by your teacher. There's also a video to help support this piece as well on the website. You will implement ABA services under the direction of the ABA associate or your classroom teacher. Programs are being designed to support students in the virtual environment. You will provide additional scheduled online sessions with the direction of the teacher as to support students in their learning. You will also be available during the teacher's office hours, which will be live, to support students and families with completing some independent activities, again, under the direction of the teacher. You will compile office work, including copying and mailing documents, under the direction of your teacher. This may require you to go into the school or send paperwork to the office so that those copies can be created and mailed. You will assume the role of the teacher as a substitute when directed if the teacher has an absence or leave. You will come into the building as scheduled if staff are working remotely to support instructional preparation. As I said before, that may require copies, that may require getting mailings together. That would be under the direction of your teacher. You will participate in all scheduled trainings and complete all online training modules. Those do include Safe Schools, as well as some other training modules that may be required by your administrator. You must maintain confidentiality and professionalism, just as you would in a face-to-face setting. You may request additional technology if needed to complete these expectations. You will communicate with families as directed by your teacher or case manager, and you will clock in and out using WFM, as well as record any leave needed using WFM. The accountability measures that will be put in place for paras is the clocking in and out using WFM. Performance, attendance, and participation will be monitored by the supervising teacher as well as the supervising administrator. Performance and feedback concerns will be provided in as specified in the evaluation protocols. Access to technology. If district technology is needed, notify your building principal or administrator. A computer checkout form will need to be completed for all loaned devices, similar to what we use in the summer checkout system, and the device will be returned when face-to-face instruction begins. We hope this overview of the expectations will help ensure your success with supporting our teachers and students with digital learning. Thank you.